Yes. So yeah, luckily our neighbor, the duck pond was filled with poop, so none of the girl wanted to go down. And so we say Marcus has a pool. Say hi.
Hi.
It looks like it's working.
Carol,
My gosh.
oh my gosh, this looks good.
I think with the pool noodle it's gonna float better too.
But I think it's fine.
It's not. Look, it's not even halfway.
Look at Sarah.
No leaks.
It's working.
Wow. Look, can I play? Can I try?
Yeah.
We might.
Practice cuddling.
I cannot believe this.
Reinforcement syrup.
Where's Chris? Cammy.
She's at the horse. She's with the horses right now.
Oh really?
Do you put cardboard at the bottom then?
Okay, so yeah.
About this pretty cool project.
Is this like for an engineering class? Or
Yeah. It's they have a contest. They're gonna take to Folsom Lake next Friday, and they have a race. Yeah.
My idea worked, Daddy. My idea worked. Daddy, my idea worked using the tart. Yay, high five.
Okay, you guys, this is just for a test. Okay, so no water inside, right? No. Okay, that's good.
Can I try too? Yeah, let her try.
Carol, can Carol try?
I don't think. Go for it.
Yeah.
I'm supervising.
This is a cool guy right here. Ethan, he's the man.
Uneven weight. Because Sarah's smaller.
Wait, what if Callum? Callum, do you want open? Sure.
What? No.
Okay, you guys. Okay, I think okay, Carol, who else gonna try? Okay.
Carol and Callum. Okay.
Carol and Talon, and then we gotta go because
Let me get out first. Okay.
because Ethan's on his way out to do something, and then he was like nice enough to let us in.
That was so good. Alrighty, there we go. Okay.
Go.
That's pretty good, huh? Everything is under $80. Now that's yep. So each one they put in like $14, and yeah. So, but you know the headache.
They're all the same class.
Take off your.
Yeah.
Carol, guys. Carol,
Except for Carol.
Carol, come on. Carol. Just take it off. Only on the wood. Only on the wood, only. Come on, you got it.
Oh yeah. It's
Go on,
not
hold
done.
it. Yeah, it's fine.
Done.
Tuesday.
I need one more
You
spring.
finish it tomorrow night.
Yep, you got it.
It's sturdy, don't worry.
I'm literally just gonna buy this.
If I could be on it anyway. Oh. Okay.
Make sure you only stay on the wood.
Carol, you know how to swim, right?
Yeah, we all know how to swim.
Okay, good.
Ready? You got there. Nice. Stop. Don't drop it. Diamond, you're doing good. You're doing great.
to dive after the
Okay, don't have too much fun, okay? I think we're just testing it out. Okay. Okay, cool.
Good job, guys.
Woohoo! Good job, you guys.
Go, Callum.
Yes. Uh-huh.
This is really fun.
Bro.
Carol's gonna have a leg up.
Yeah, take a picture of that for your dad. Yeah, for sure.